Welcome to the next episode of my podcast. We have one follower with us today. Her name is Ginny. Hi, Ginny.
Hi.
Hi. तो जिनी आप बताइए कि इतना सब ड्रग स्कैंडल इतना हर रोज कुछ नया आ रहा है। मुझे खुद को नहीं पता था कि दीपिका पाडुकोण, सारा अली खान, श्रद्धा कपूर, दिया मिर्जा ये भी सब ड्रग्स करते हैं। फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग मैं तो पूरा शॉक था। आपको कैसा लगा जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना इसके बारे में न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे?
Yeah, yes. As you said, naturally we would all get shocked because they were all considered like the role models. But if I say like Dia
राइट,
Mirza at least gave us clarification. Like after her name got immediately dragged, she immediately tweeted regarding the same. But that was not the same with Rakul or Sara Ali Khan or Deepika or whoever was named in this drug scandal, right? They didn't give any
राइट, राइट,
clearance. So we, as an audience, we expect clarity, right? Like we go and see their movies, we go to theaters just to watch them for like 3 hours, and then they don't want to be accountable to us. That is something very depressing and sad. You talk about, and frankly speaking, it's just double standards that's being exposed. You come to us asking for us to watch the movie, but then when we really ask you questions, are you doing this? Give a give a clarity about the same, right? That's something
हम्म।
disappointing.
No, but that is one way to look at it. But don't you think drugs is now prevalent across a society? Be it doctors, lawyers, corporate honchos, industrialists,
Even in
everyone is
educational
doing it.
issues,
So
right?
yeah,
I
yeah,
do agree. I do agree. But what I would say is, if the cleanup starts from Bollywood, it will be a good thing, right? They can be a role model for
right,
so many initiatives. I mean, Bollywood has
right.
been like, be it like when Jaya Bachchan ji told about the industry supporting the Indian government when any natural calamity comes or anything or even any pandemic as we are enduring. Even then, they were
Hmm.
helping. It's. I totally agree that they have been that that's a good initiative, right? So I would say they should not take this like as a big thing on their head, like they are the druggies or something. But they should just. I don't know. I have seen in some viral had posted regard. I don't know the actress's name. She had given a clear dope test, and she even showed the report. That's what we all want. That's what we're asking you. I mean,
Hmm.
that
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
will give a clear message, right, to the youth who are following you. Many children are following you, even children, adults, teenagers. They all looking up to you, right? Today, when I say my
Hmm.
favorite actress is Deepika Padukone, now I have to rethink. I mean, your name is being pulled out in a drug scandal. You have to come out clear. That's all we're asking, and we wish you
Hmm.
come out clear. We are not trying to say that you are the druggie, or just because you have asked Mar hai kya. We are not trying to say that you are the culprit or you are the one who killed SSR. Nothing of that sort. Like a Bollywood star like SSR just died in a very suspicious way. And if
Hmm. Hmm.
Bollywood has suddenly been silent. Okay, if I said Bollywood has been silent, yeah, very few celebrities have come and spoken about the same, but they have
Hmm.
become suddenly silent, and this is just hypocrisy. Nothing else, I would say, right? I mean,
Hmm.
that's what is my opinion regarding the same. Yeah, as you said, it
So
is
you
very
must have heard
prevalent in now.
about.
Yeah, go ahead,
You
sir.
must have heard in a previous podcast about SSR's death. You just brought it up. So, what do
Yes,
you think? Was it a murder or was it a suicide? Or you're clueless?
frankly speaking, I am clueless, but I'm somewhere
Hmm.
inclined to the fact that it's supposedly to be a murder because I
Hmm.
don't know a right-hand star like him who has a great career ahead. Maybe yes,
Hmm.
so then everyone's career, be it any superstar that you take today, right? And I think he
Hmm.
could have come out of all this downs if at all he had any. And having said
Hmm.
that, you know, if at all drugs had any role to play in this entire mystery, murder mystery or suicide mystery or whatever, it has to come out. And
Hmm.
today we see other stars are taking drugs. They have to come out clear the same, right? And yeah, you have said
Hmm.
right,
Hmm.
it is relevant in all fields, be it educational field, medical field. Like yeah, consuming drugs is something that have started. But if Bollywood starts this initiative, I'm pretty sure it will enter politics. It will enter all those industries soon. I mean, a cleanup is necessary. No one wants drugs in a society. Yeah, it's not easy. That's too idealistic, I would say, but it is possible. Like we can together, try a
Hmm.
cleanup. That's why.
Hmm. But for what if say Deepika Padukone or Rakul Preet or anyone, what if they actually did consume those drugs? Will you stop watching their movies or will you continue watching them?
Frankly speaking, I would just boycott it because you project yourself in such a way that you are the no drugs. I mean, Rakul Preet Singh is also the brand ambassador of no drugs campaign in Telangana, I believe. And then you have on the other side Deepika
Yeah,
Padukone
that
who's
is.
projecting
I
herself.
I wasn't aware. This that
Yeah,
is really wrong. If you're
yeah.
consuming drugs and then you're the brand ambassador
If
of
at all, I'm again
anti-drug
saying if
abuse.
at all you're consuming, let's not put them all like you are the druggist. If at all they're consuming, I would just call out that it's just hypocrisy, double standards. Because you have
Correct,
been
correct,
blindfolding us from ages. How long would you keep doing this, right? I mean, if once you
right,
are,
right.
it should. I just pray that they come out clear out of this entire thing. And if
Hmm.
like even when Kangana had said about like a few stars, be it Vicky Kaushal or Ranveer Singh or Ranveer Kapoor, coming clear on this dope test, they could have they being the faces of new initiatives. Even Ranveer Singh also has been taken up the initiative of some education app also, some Eduara. You can take some you can
Hmm.
take up such great initiatives. Then why not this? It should start from you guys.
Hmm.
Charity begins from home, right? So you people have to start up with what a dope test. That would be a great idea. I mean, that would inspire the youth, right? We all want a drug-free country for sure. Like no one wants
Hmm.
no one wants to see drug use. And I would just
Hmm.
say it's
Hmm.
just double standards. On the one hand, you say mental illness is for what is real, and you can't snap out of depression. Yes, you can't. But if you're using drugs, you can never snap out of depression, right? That's I
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
feel
Hmm.
that. I mean, it's just hypocrisy that's being exposed, and and again, you see all the Bollywood stars trying to defend, saying that nothing like this happens. At least we were not there in this sort of parties or whatever. But that's not the way you should react. You should like if Kangana has her own experience, you should respect her experiences. I would just say that.
Right, right. But people are accusing even Kangana of consuming drugs at the start of her career,
Yeah,
and even she is not clean, and even South Indian celebs indulge in drugs. Even Hollywood celebs indulge in drugs. So don't you think it's a bit unfair that only Bollywood films are getting boycotted, only Bollywood stars are getting targeted?
even
Hello.
Sandalwood.
Yeah.
Yeah, even
Yeah, yeah,
Sandalwood
please go on.
industry also have started a cleanup. That's really great. Like
Right,
be it Sanjana
right.
Gandhani or Ragini Dwivedi, they have all being called for investigations. I mean, what I'm trying to say is targeting is really unfair at the end of the day. You can't go for a witch hunt. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot of people saying that why are only women being called out as druggies and no one else. You can't. I mean, that's also something I would just say, something to laugh at because you have Madhu Mantena going to the NCB and they're telling that there's no other Madhu Mantena, Shavik Chakraborty, then Deepesh Sawant, and so many other people, going to the same NCB ladder. You can't just say that only
Hmm.
women are the druggies or something. Again, the woman card is being played out, victim card is being played out, what not. I mean, this cards
Hmm.
playing just stop. You should just get ready. You should be a sincere citizen and
Yeah,
just
yeah,
be ready for
that I totally agree. That I totally agree. It's like you've been caught stealing, and then you're saying, "Oh, you're catching me because I'm a woman, because I am so and so, because I'm anti so and so." That
yeah,
is not right.
smashing
You've been
patriarchy and things like
committing
that.
a
Yes,
crime.
smashing patriarchy is a
Show
great
some
thing.
maturity, own up to it, and
Yeah,
then tell the society that I won't do it henceforth, or
yeah, that's
stand
what
by your actions.
Kangana
That
did.
I believe
Kangana did
that
that.
this drug is not harmful. Let's legalize weed. You know,
True, true.
when you lie blatantly, that's what I think pisses the audiences and fans off.
Yeah, yeah, true. I mean, even Kangana ji, she would have started taking drugs to, start off her career, or like if she was pushed into it, I don't know what exactly she has gone through. But yeah, having said that, immediately after her name was pulled out, and when Anil Deshmukh ji had come and told that we will, do a inquiry into her drug. her drug involvement and things like that, she immediately tweeted about the same, that she will leave Mumbai if at all, she does not come out clear. And she also agrees to the fact that she was a drug addict. I mean, what more? You're trying to be very pious. If at all you're trying to be very pious, being a depression champion,
Right,
you know,
right, right.
I mean, that is double standards, I would say. I mean, nothing more than that
Right.
is double standards. You call Kangana as a hypocrite. What about Deepika Padukone? I mean, I have to ask this, like, being a simple, ordinary citizen or a Bollywood lover, I tend to ask this. Like, I tend to think about the same.
Mhm. No, Deepika's case, I would like to say that she has not made a statement saying whether she
Exactly.
did consume drugs or she did not consume drugs. So let's wait for what she has to say. Based on
That's true,
that,
yeah.
maybe we can, discuss it again in a few weeks' time. But
Okay.
yeah, speaking of depression, the tweets that she sent out, repeat after me. I think that was a very good initiative. She was raising awareness about depression,
Yeah, but even then,
which is still,
yes. Go ahead. Go ahead, sir.
many people still don't understand what depression is. They just think that,
True.
it's nothing. How can a rich person be depressed? How can a successful person be depressed? And anyone who knows a thing or two about depression will tell you that, it's totally baseless. They don't know what depression is.
True.
So she was raising awareness about it. So that I support her completely.
Yeah, but
And about
I would just say
drug
that the
abuse, I
timing of the
for her
repeat after me
statement.
campaign was wrong. If we
Right,
agree or
right.
not,
No, but
I just feel that.
yeah.
I mean, I have never seen these sort of, posts from her end before that. I mean, the Live Love Foundation, if they would have posted all this, it could have made sense, right? When suddenly Deepika's being
Mm-hmm.
the champion, I mean, I didn't see her Instagram post being filled with depression-related quotes or things like that. It was only after the death of SSR that she brought up this. Good. I mean, I have no
Yeah,
issue.
yeah.
She lost.
She had claimed in the interviews that she was depressed, she went through depression and all
Yes,
that.
yes,
But yeah, she had never tweeted about it. But of course, it's only time will tell whether she had some ulterior motives or she genuinely cares about depression. Time will tell. And we'll wait for the authorities, we'll wait for Deepika's statement to
yes.
find out
Even now,
whether.
also, I'm trying to say that they're all not druggies. They're not. Like, even we don't have proof.
Right,
I have not seen any proof of about Sara Ali Khan being called a druggie, or neither Rakul Preet,
right,
any chats have come out. It's only Deepika's chats that have
right,
recently come out that have raised suspicion, and even Simon Kambata's and Ria's chats.
yeah,
Only based on that I am making the statement. So they should come out clear, right? If at all there these sort of chats are there, these are not chats that think commonly in people like me or you, right? So they should come out clean as
right,
fast as possible. That's the whole thing.
right. But do you think, say, even if, for example, if Deepika Padukone, Rakul Preet, Sara Ali Khan, all if evidences are found that they did consume drugs, and even if they admit they did consume drugs, do you think they'll have to face jail time or they'll get off with a slight warning?
I'm not sure about the legalities of what they will go through, But
No, no,
having
you
said
can just state your opinion, your gut feel.
okay, okay. I mean, they are very powerful. So I would just say they could get away with that. Like we have seen previous, history itself teaches us the same similar things that powerful people come out of anything. Like be it Salman Khan
Right,
or
right,
I have seen him now. He's just free man. He's just giving blockbusters after blockbusters. That would be the same thing with
right,
Deepika Padukone also. But yeah, having said that,
right,
image. I mean, in Bollywood industry works on image. I mean, Bollywood stars work on their image, right? And image is something that
hmm,
they build up. But yes, this is not something that people will easily forget. Like now, people have a good memory power. I would just say that because I've
hmm,
always heard people just say that public will forget, public will forgive, and things like that. Please don't say that
hmm.
anymore. We're done with all this. I mean, being a educated person, I would just say that I will not forget all this. If at all they are not coming clean out of the same, I wouldn't watch any of their movies too. That's my opinion.
Right, right. Right. And what do you have to say about Anurag Kashyap scandal? An actress Payal Ghosh, she filed an
Yeah, yeah,
FIR saying
true, true.
Anurag, sexually harassed me. And then a lot of women celebs came out in Anurag's support. So what do you have to say about it?
Yeah, I mean, on Reddit, I was reading some article regarding the same, right? You see a man who, and like, some person who's very good to you or your family members or everyone, but you might not know how he behaves with his maid or anything, right? Like,
Hmm.
generally, I feel generally all this happens when you are in a more privileged position than someone else, right? That's why,
Hmm. Hmm.
you try to the sexual motivation factor comes into picture, and all these sort of things happen, unfortunately. Having said that,
Hmm.
yes, every woman have different experiences. Today if Tapsi says greatest feminist, I would just call it again hypocrisy, nothing else. Great. I mean to say, it's Payal's experience is her experience, right? You must respect that.
Correct. Correct.
I mean, yeah,
Correct.
I too don't agree to the fact of her calling out, giving out names such as Richas or Huma Qureshi's names being called out like that publicly.
Hmm.
That is something saddening, which even I felt bad. Like, you being a woman and you going through something like this, and you pulling down other women is not great. But having said that, what Tapsi ji have done by putting an Instagram post or something telling that you are the greatest feminist that I have seen, good, that is your experience, but you should respect Payal's experience too.
Correct. Exactly. Exactly. Well said. So that's what I even want to tell our listeners, that that an FIR has been filed by the
True.
victim. It's not
Yes,
like
yes.
she just made a claim and she ran away. An
True,
FIR has
true.
been filed,
Fine.
and
Yes.
there will be, as in, she can't just run away now. The cops will look into it. It might
True,
reach
true.
the court. So it's a serious issue. And I
Yeah,
don't think anyone just files an FIR like that. So what I would request our celebs is to, respect the law, and
true, true.
let the law take its course. Don't run down that victim. For all you know, she might be saying the truth. It might
I mean,
be a
why would
moment.
anyone come out with
Yeah,
such a thing, right? If they had an
correct, correct.
experience like this, and she has been, bearing it all this while, she just let it out. Like, she didn't want, at the end of the day, she didn't want to die, right? I mean, these
Right.
experiences, it's damn creepy, and even you might think of taking your own life. And when you just say your experience, that itself gives a lot of, empowerment to other women as well. If they have faced anything of these sort, to come out and speak. I mean, the entire Me Too movement also had this motto, like, believe her. Now, who is believing her? The same Tapsi Pannu, when a Malayalam actor, Dilip and his wife got married, some critic or
Hmm.
someone had posted the picture and telling congratulations. And Tapsi Pannu was the first one to comment on the same, telling we shouldn't celebrate these Me Too people, these Me Too accused people. We shouldn't
Hmm.
celebrate.
Hmm.
She had
Hmm. Hmm.
said the same, and now what is being exposed is something else. She's now coming and telling Anurag Kashyap
Correct, correct.
this. Then I can say
Exactly. And
Dilip is also the
he
biggest
was the
feminist.
one who attacked even Nana Patekar, if you remember. She was totally against him. She was like, yeah, such people should be punished and all that. She didn't bother to check whether what other women feel about Nana Patekar. So
True,
this
true.
is clearly double standards on Anurag Kashyap supporters' part, especially people like Tapsi Pannu and others who have come out
Mona
in his
Bhaskar
support.
also, like,
That is
he
one
keeps
other.
tweeting, liking anything related to Anurag Kashyap, anything related to pro Anurag Kashyap. And, I
Right.
feel like, as a woman, you should support the other woman. That's all it is. Yes, I disagree with the fact that Payal had taken out some names of some other woman, which was, which would tarnish their image as well, right? That is really unfair. That even I really call out that hypocrisy.
Right, right. And Alia Bhatt, Salman Khan, these guys have, Karan Johar, these celebs have been under a lot of fire, a lot of public anger they have been facing
True, true.
since the last few months. So, would you watch their movies, or you are boycotting them altogether?
Salman Khan's movie, I have no much interest in his movies. It's just him, nothing else. It's just, pure
Okay,
testosterone in his movies. That's my opinion.
okay,
Having said that,
right.
Alia Bhatt is a great actor. Like, I don't know. Like, yes, having said that, she has, been under a lot of tremendous trolling and things like that.
Hmm.
I mean, I'm actually being empathetic towards her rather. I mean, it's
Hmm.
really unfair, I would say, because it just started in a silly game. Like, yes, that silly show was something else. But having said that, the celebrities also take the show seriously. They all see what rank they come under, which rank list they come. I'm pretty sure they would see that. Like, if I was in that place, I would see, okay, Alia but puts me in which rank. I would love to see, right? Suddenly you're telling killing Sushant, that would have hurt, like, could have
Hmm.
hurt
Hmm. Hmm.
the fans all of a sudden. And yeah,
No,
again,
but
that's
in Alia's defense, she had to kill someone, and she even apologized the very next second. I'm sorry, Sushant. So, and people back then didn't outrage. It's only after Sushant died that, these
Yeah,
videos came
exactly.
out.
True,
But
true,
I
true.
believe it's total blatant hypocrisy on the part of the people who are
Yeah,
targeting Alia. It's my
true,
opinion,
true.
of course.
Yes, yes,
Everyone.
that's also true. That's true. Having and yeah, the award shows have to be called out. Yeah, it's high time, right?
Correct,
What do you
correct,
think?
correct. Correct.
You're coming and hitting Ayushmann
I
head with a bottle, or you're trying to kick Sushant Singh Rajput from a IFA award show, and these are something that needs to be called. High time to call out. Like these award shows, what Gully Boy gets all sort of awards, and people are no longer so blind-eyed. Even there is a huge amount of there was a Twitter anger also shown when this boycott Filmfare. What was Filmfare Awards last year? I mean, that needs to be called out, right? What's your opinion about it?
No, Indian award shows, first of all, are a joke. Everyone knows that they are bought or they are, you can lobby to get those awards. Everyone knows. And the really deserving ones, the art house films in which there's real acting, method acting, they really, as in theater actors who really work hard on their craft and they make a movie, they need to be given these awards and
True,
they need
true,
to be recognized and, motivated. Not the biggest hit of the year doesn't mean an award.
true, true. Yes, yes.
As in, a formulaic movie, that is not,
The award they
what
need,
needs to
right?
be awarded.
True.
Yeah. And secondly, like you said, Shah Rukh Khan was like is still the biggest, one of the biggest stars in the industry. He's like the first, second ranker in class. It's like the first, second ranker in class calls the people, the students who have failed in a subject on stage and makes fun in front of the whole school.
True, true.
How is that done? What will the guy who is everyone wants to come first or second?
Yeah, but
What will the guy who is
students
failed in a
haven't.
subject feel?
I just want to make a correction.
Yeah,
Students who haven't failed in any subject, but deliberately trying to pull that person's leg so that that person fails in a particular subject. I would say that. I don't find. I find
correct.
Kaipoche was like a wonderful debut by SSR, and Aishman also gave a wonderful debut like Vicky Donner. And you are coming and humiliating us
Right.
publicly on an award show. It's actually ridiculous. I have not even seen those videos. It was only after SSR's death I had seen those videos. I'm not a person who watches award shows itself. Like the six of this mockery is something that even I don't want to watch. It's filled with a lot of advertisements and things like that. It's not something we should all watch because they never
Right, right,
honor the true talent, right? So why should we watch all this?
right. No, Shekhar Gupta, who is heading print now, he used to organize Star Screen Awards,
Yeah.
and he mentioned that all these stars used to threaten him. You either give me an award,
Yes,
or
yes,
I won't come, and neither will my cap come. So
exactly.
you have to give me an award. So award, what to say, categories were created just to please these stars,
True, true.
and all the biggest names, right from Shah Rukh Khan, Karan Johar, Hrithik Roshan, all his
Actors,
name.
actors.
That's why actors like Amir Khan have totally given up. They don't attend at all.
Yes, yes, true, true. Even
Right,
even
right.
Kangana for that
So
matter.
yeah, yeah, yeah. But Kangna, Kangna is, of course, I don't know what to say because she thinks unless she gets the award, it's not worth it.
Yeah, that is
So,
also there. Like in her tweets, it's visible. Yeah, I had seen
right,
one.
right.
What Gulshan's? I think someone asked Gulshan that what is the best performance of Kangana or something. Tweeting a Swinkle. That was his answer. I, no, that tweet went very viral. Just telling.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I saw that. I saw that. But apart from that, now on a less serious note, Ginny, why don't you tell our listeners what you have been watching lately and what you would recommend our listeners to watch online?
See, I'm a student, so I had slogged out a lot, and now I myself is looking for some good web series. But having said that, I love Inside It series. I like both the series. I would say that's a good
Okay,
series to watch
okay,
if you like taking analogs.
okay.
Like
Right,
it is something related to this IPL season and things like that. I like that type of
right, right, right,
those web
right, right.
series. And yeah, love
Right.
and what?
I recently saw.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Please go on. Please go on.
I have nothing much to say.
Okay. I recently saw Bandish Bandits, and I would recommend you and all our listeners to please watch it.
Great.
It's a very well made show. I was totally pleasantly surprised. I thought it will be something about a reality TV show or something, but it's so not that.
Okay.
I would seriously recommend you guys, you and our listeners to watch this
It
show.
has Nasruddin, right?
Yeah, Nasruddin Shah and a new Ritwik something, a new actor, new actors in it.
Okay.
Great acting, great script. So it's on Amazon Prime. Do please give it a watch.
Sure,
But it
sure.
was great talking to you, Jeannie.
Thank you so much. Great talking to
Hopefully,
you, sir.
few weeks later we'll connect with you again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.